brand new posture pillows are here. We have 2 pillows, very firm memory foam, one for your lower spine called your lumbar, one for your neck called your cervical. Also instructions inside on how to use. Why I made these pillows is one thing that we're always working on in my clinics is the natural alignment of your spine. The natural alignment of your spine should be like this. You should have a natural forward curve here in the lower spine, an opposite backward curve in the thoracic, and another forward curve here in the cervical. These curves actually get messed up as we go through life, and this is the cause of a lot of problems that we have. So these pillows are going to help improving your posture. Okay, and so what you do is you lie on these pillows for 5 to 10 minutes every single day, 5 days a week, 3 days a week, and you can see. And so what we're working on is maintaining the proper curves in your cervical and your lumbar spine. Some other uses of these pillows, they can actually be a nice stretch for your middle spine. So if you're a larger person, you can use the larger pillow. You actually just lie here vertical, lie down. It's going to give your spine a nice stretch, opening up your thoracic. Okay, good stretch here for your posture as well. You're going to put this right here at the lower spine, and then you're going to lie down. Okay, and you immediately feel how it pushes your lumbar spine up, and that's what you want. You want there to be a nice lordotic curve. And then with the neck, you just put this at the base, and you want your chin to kind of go up. And again, you're working on this nice lordotic curve. These curves are there to alleviate the stress. Do this 5 to 10 minutes a day. It's going to help develop proper posture. So having your posture in the correct position is going to allow your body to work optimally. So we want to lie here, having the cervical spine, rotating back, improving that natural alignment. Same thing here, the lumbar. There should be this nice forward natural curve. These curves are there to act as a spring because gravity is pushing down on our spine. These curves are very, very important and possibly help, alleviate a lot of the symptoms that you have. Maybe you have headaches, maybe you have shoulder problems, maybe you have lower back problems. So this is really going to help, something you can do at home. If you want to pick one up, find it at our store, docrobstore.com.